Hey guys, assalamualaikum and welcome back to my channel Learn with Joy. So today I'm going to show you how I put my lens on. As I was a beginner, I used to struggle a lot for putting on my lens because it was very time consuming to me. I used to take around like 10-15 minutes to put on one lens, but now I'll give you some tips and tricks to use your lens properly and in a very short time. So without further ado, let's get started. Oh yeah, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And now yeah, let's get started. So yeah guys, I have been using these two solution to protect and care my lens, and the first one is Fresh Look Care and the other one is Neo Plus. I have been using these two solutions. I used to use this one for a very long time now, and it's almost finished, and I have started using this one. So the other thing is you need to have this case where the left and right side should be mentioned. You can't put the right lens in the left side or the left one in the right side, because there will be problem of like infection. So just before putting into the lens case, you make sure that the right lens you have kept in the right case and the left one you kept in the right left case. So the most important thing while using your lens is you have to wash your hand like properly. Before touching your lens, you have to make sure that your hands are completely clean, and rewash and then just make sure that your hands are properly clean. And now so I have used this before, so my right one is in the right case and the left one is in the left case. So I will just use my right one first. So it's in solution guys, I have kept it in solution. So I'll just take it out from my case and I will just put it in my hands. My hands are clean, and I will just keep this solution here and wash it properly. You have to make sure that in your kit case you just change your solution after 2 or 3 days maximum. So it's my lens. Like this in the tip of your finger, and just open your eye like wide. So yeah guys, you have to like make sure that you use your lens before applying makeup, because after you apply your lens your eye get watery. So apply your lens before makeup. So I have applied both the lenses guys, and you can see the basic idea is you just have to make your hands purely clean. It should be properly clean, and you have to put the solution in your hands so that you can clean the lens again, just for extra precaution. And you have to make sure that you clean your kit case like you put the solution in the kit case like regularly in 2-3 days. And yeah, so you just have to be careful while using it. And I hope this video was useful for those beginners who just started using the lens and are struggling with the process. I hope you like the video, and yeah, comment down below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Take care.